we're going to use a classic for loop to print out the numbers 1 through 50 in the standard out area. So a for loop has a few parts to initialize it. First, we have to declare some kind of counter to go through. This is usually how we do it, at least. We'll make an integer I, j, and k are very common, and we're going to give it a value. I want the initializing value to be 1, since I'm going to print the numbers 1 through 50. I is going to be the number that gets printed. Each time through the loop is going to test to see whether or not this next condition is true, and so I want I to be less than or equal to 50 in order to run through the loop's code. And then last, I'm going to increment I, or increase I by 1. I could do that in two ways. I could say I equals I plus 1, or more commonly, we'll use I++ to increment I by 1 each time through the loop. That code executes after the loop. The I++ happens after the loop has run through each time. So you can see this. I'm going to do system.out.println, and I'm just going to print the value of I. That's the only thing that we'll see. So this will print the value 1 the first time through, and it'll increase by 1 each time until the last time through it'll be 50. And when I is 51, after that last increment operation, the loop condition won't be met. The loop will break without executing, and we'll be finished. So we will build and run that. And you can see the end of things there. I'll just scroll up so you can see the beginning. It began at 1, and every number between 1 and 50 inclusive is printed, and 51 is not printed. And that's